Hello, my name's Chris Stine. I'm with Morris Group. We're a machine tool distributor based in the eastern half of the United States. We specialize in delivering manufacturing processes to customers who are involved in precision machining of metal components. Morris Group is continuously looking for optimum manufacturing solutions on behalf of our customers. Recently, we've begun a relationship with MODIG here in Sweden to provide our customers those solutions. With MODIG, we feel we found a partner who provides unique solutions to common manufacturing problems. Many of these outperform the productivity of traditional manufacturing methods. I feel fortunate with my first trip here to Sweden to have the opportunity to visit the MODIG facility. We've enjoyed meeting the MODIG people, learning more about their products, and understanding how we can apply them to our customers' manufacturing problems. We look forward to bringing back to the United States MODIG technology to our customers.